Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change email display language in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change email display language in Gmail, go to your Gmail and click on gear icon on upper right corner. Now click on see all settings. Here in settings, click on general tab and then you will find the first option is language, and here Gmail display language, and by default English is selected. If you want to change the display language, click on the drop down menu and you can change the display language. I am changing the display language to Spanish. Now scroll down, click on save changes. Now reloading Gmail. Now my Gmail display language has been changed to Spanish. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.